In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find fuzzy match duplicates in HubSpot. Whether you're managing contacts, leads, or customer data, keeping your database clean and organized is critical. Duplicate records can muddy your analytics and lead to inefficiencies in your CRM processes. Fortunately, HubSpot provides tools to help you identify and manage these duplicates effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button on the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. This will bring you directly to the HubSpot home dashboard, your command center for all tasks. Once you are on the HubSpot home, look for and click on the CRM option in the menu. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where you'll manage your interactions with customers and potential clients. In this section, you'll also find all the contacts in your database. After you've clicked on CRM, proceed by selecting the Contacts tab. This action will display a list of all the contacts you currently have in your HubSpot system. It's here that you're going to investigate potential duplicates. With your contacts list open, look to the upper part of your screen where you'll notice an Actions button. Go ahead and click on this button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. Among these options is one labeled Manage Duplicates. This is your next stop. Clicking on Manage Duplicates will take you to a new page specifically designed for identifying potential duplicate records. Here, HubSpot will leverage algorithms and data analysis to comb through your contact list, searching for records that might be unintentionally doubled. This feature is extremely useful in maintaining data integrity and saving you time from having to sift through records manually. As you review the duplicates HubSpot identifies, you have the option to merge these duplicates, ensuring that only one record remains for each unique contact. This can be done by verifying the duplicate records and confirming which data entries should be preserved in the final consolidated contact. And that's it! You've now successfully learned how to find fuzzy match duplicates in HubSpot. Regularly checking and managing duplicates ensures your data remains accurate and up to date, allowing your team to operate smoothly and efficiently. Keep your CRM tidy, and your future self and team will thank you for it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on using HubSpot effectively. Until next time, keep managing that data beautifully.